All right, folks, them two shots with the 14 pellet 32 cal in the tuprw12 wad with the overshot card under the wad and one over top of the load once we were done. They shot awesome. Here's the same load data. This is a tuprw12 wad. It's got the overshot card underneath the wad and one on top when I fold it. But this is 31 cal single aught. So we're gonna see if this one does as good as the double aught does. Whoops. I hit the wrong button, folks. All right, here we go again. .31 cal single aught, 16 pellets. Well, as you can see, it hit with some authority down there. Where'd that hole go flying to? There it is. Let's see, that fold crimp, we can reload it again. No problems. No pressure signs to speak of. Once again, folks, I didn't bring my tape measure. I don't know why I just don't leave it in the darn pickup truck. I guess that would take somebody with a little common sense to do that. I never said I had a whole lot of common sense. I just like making bullets. Shells, holes, whatever you want to call them. Let's see what we got here. Oh man, yeah, that's a winner too, folks. That will work all day long. You got a flyer over here, which that'll make it a real wide if you counted that. But you count these two. See, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All 16 of them's in there, folks. Right here around the bullseye, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got 11 of them, folks, in a 7-inch circle around that bull. It ain't even 7 inches, folks, because my fingers open up. Let's see. Yeah, my fingers open up 6 inches, 6.5 inches. That ain't even 8 inches, guys. You got 11 pellets right there at the bullseye. This tuprw works great. It does have a little bit of that one had a little bit of spray to it, as you can see. Had 2 pellets right there and one right over there. But shooting wise, that's an awesome pattern. Altogether, that pattern, if you count, don't count this one and you count all these, that's about 14 inches, folks. We can live with that. I can anyway. Some folks may want it even tighter. All right, let me tape these up and try one more of them. And I had another thing I wanted to try. We'll video that, see what happens. All right, stay tuned.